Solana promised to build the fastest blockchain that would handle 65,000 transactions per second and finally solve crypto's scalability problem. But here's the reality check. Since 2021, Solana has suffered 7 major outages, with the most recent 5-hour downtime in February 2024. Despite claiming to be the fastest blockchain, it keeps going offline when users need it most. Most crypto projects talk about being Ethereum killers without actually delivering the reliability people expect from financial infrastructure. In this video, we expose the truth about Solana. We'll dig into their downtime disasters, examine the memecoin casino collapse, and see if that lightning-fast blockchain is actually ready for prime time, or just another overhyped project that can't stay online. Welcome to the Crypto IQ, where we cut through the hype and show you what's really happening in crypto and blockchain. Today we're putting Solana under the microscope. The downtime disasters, why the fastest blockchain keeps going offline, memecoin casino collapse, how pump and dump schemes destroyed user trust, the technical reality, proof of history versus actual reliability, tokenomics troubles, 4.7% inflation eating away at holder value, competition heating up, why other chains are catching up fast. Our final verdict: is this a scaling solution or a house of cards? Let's start with the elephant in the room. How can you be the fastest blockchain if you're not even online? When Solana talks about being the fastest blockchain, they conveniently leave out one critical detail: you can't use it when it's down. Here's the uncomfortable truth about Solana's reliability. Since 2021, Solana has experienced 7 separate outage incidents, with 5 caused by client bugs and 2 by transaction spam floods. The most recent outage in February 2024 lasted 5 hours, marking the 11th instance of degraded performance in just 2 years. Some validators were receiving over 300,000 transactions per second, with raw transaction data exceeding 1 gigabit per second and 120,000 packets per second. Many incidents go unreported. StatusGator detected at least 9 distinct disruptions from October 2024 to February 2025 that were never officially acknowledged. Real example. In September 2021, Grape Protocol's token launch overwhelmed the network with bot-driven transactions, effectively executing a DDoS attack that stopped block production for hours. Most networks slow down under heavy load. Solana just stops working entirely. The network prioritizes safety over liveness, meaning it will halt completely rather than risk state corruption. But the real question is, can you build the future of finance on infrastructure that regularly goes offline? This is where Solana's story gets really messy. The 2024 to 2025 memecoin boom was supposed to prove Solana's superiority. Instead, it exposed the worst aspects of speculative trading. The rise and fall. After hitting an all-time high of $261 in January, SOL dropped nearly 60% as the memecoin market collapsed. Daily active DEX traders plunged from 4.8 million to just 900,000, an 81% collapse. Network revenue crashed by 93% since January, with transaction fees down 83% in just 1 month. Out of 26,457 new tokens minted daily on Pump Fun, only 246 managed to graduate, a survival rate of less than 1%. The toxic reality. The Trump memecoin launch saw insiders control over 80% of tokens, with 800,000 trading wallets losing money. The Libra token scandal, involving Argentine President Javier Milei, saw the token crash 98% after hitting a $4.5 billion market cap. 73.8% of wallets trading Kanye West's YZY memecoin lost money, with combined losses of $74.8 million. The pattern is clear. Solana became a playground for insider trading and pump-and-dump schemes that consistently burned retail investors. Let's get technical about what Solana actually built versus what they promised. What they claimed: 50,000 plus TPS with revolutionary proof of history technology, 400 millisecond block times with instant finality, less than 0.0025 transaction fees. What actually works? Solana averages 400 user-generated TPS, surging to 2,000 plus during peak demand. Uses optimistic confirmation. Blocks aren't truly final until validators representing 2/3 of stake vote. True deterministic finality takes approximately 12.8 seconds, requiring 32 confirmation blocks. The upcoming Alpenglow upgrade promises 150 millisecond finality to compete with Layer 2 solutions, ditching proof of history for pure proof of stake consensus, eliminating voting fees that have been validators' primary operational cost. Here's the catch. Critics argue there's a certain speed beyond which you literally can't go over fiber optic cables without sacrificing decentralization for speed. Now let's talk about the economic reality Solana holders face. The inflation burden. Current inflation rate of 4.7% annually, decreasing by 15% each year until reaching 1.5%. SOL supply grows by billions of tokens annually through validator rewards. This 5% inflation is commonly cited as a reason to be more bullish on Ethereum, which inflates at only 0.7%. What this means for holders: non-stakers effectively pay stakers through token dilution. Only 50% of transaction fees are burned, with the rest going to validators. Large validators and VCs benefit while small holders get diluted. The proposed solution, SIMD 0228, would slash inflation from 4.7% to around 1.5% based on staking rates. Could eliminate billions of dollars worth of new SOL from entering circulation annually. Critics warn it could knock out small validators, hurting decentralization. The economic model incentivizes staking, but punishes anyone who just wants to hold SOL ANA. Real-world usage, the post-memecoin reality. Let's examine who's actually using Solana beyond the speculative trading. What's working? 81% of all DEX transactions come from the Solana ecosystem. Growing DeFi protocols and NFT marketplaces. 150,000 plus Seeker phones ordered with built-in Solana features. Gaming applications taking advantage of low fees. What's not working? DEX volumes fell from $35.9 billion daily to $979.5 million. Daily transaction counts nearly halved from 45 million to 28.8 million. Multiple on-chain metrics show decreased usage for 5 consecutive weeks. Heavy dependence on speculative trading rather than utility applications. The key question: without the memecoin casino driving activity, what's left? Final verdict: speed demon or unreliable infrastructure? So here's our verdict on Solana. What's real? Genuinely fast blockchain technology when it's working. Multiple independent validator clients improving network resilience. Innovative approach to parallel transaction processing. Strong developer ecosystem and institutional backing. What's problematic? Recurring outages that undermine reliability for financial applications. Toxic memecoin culture that burned millions of retail investors. Inflationary tokenomics that constantly dilute non-staker holdings. Network often operates at a fraction of its theoretical capacity. Bottom line, Solana isn't a scam. They've built impressive technology that solves real scaling problems. The network can actually handle thousands of transactions per second at incredibly low costs. Is it going to replace Ethereum tomorrow? Not while it keeps going offline. But if you believe crypto needs faster, cheaper infrastructure and you can stomach the growing pains of a network still working out its stability issues, Solana has built one of the most ambitious scaling solutions in crypto. The question isn't whether Solana is fast, it is. The question is whether you can build mission-critical financial infrastructure on a network that prioritizes speed over uptime, and whether the toxic culture around meme coins represents the future of decentralized finance. Comment below. What's your take on Solana? Revolutionary scaling solution or overhyped infrastructure that's not ready for prime time? Subscribe to the Crypto IQ. Next, we're breaking down another so-called blockchain that promises to be faster, more secure, and more decentralized than everything else, but people call it imposter. We'll see you in the next deep dive.